morning smells like coffee, cinnamon and pie, flower on the table, an old song on the line. Snow is falling softly, quiet in the street. You're laughing in the kitchen, that's all I'll ever need. The tree is in the window, still missing its star, but I know tonight a miracle starts when Christmas smells like home and you're closer than before. The world just stops for a moment when you're holding me once more. Let the whole world freeze outside. I've got Christmas in your eyes. Baking trays and cookies, sugar everywhere, flour on my face, you just smile and stare. Lights on the tree are shining low, old fairy tales on TV, stories that we know on the couch beneath one blanket. Time slows down, just you and me, no noise around when Christmas smells like home and you're closer than before. The world just stops for a moment when you're holding me once more. Let the whole world freeze outside. I got Christmas in your eyes. I don't need gold or fancy gifts, just your I'm here and your quiet kiss. When the world starts running way too fast, I come back to you, make this moment last. When Christmas smells like home, fire whispering in the night, every word, every song I sing says our love is still alive. When the lights go out, the tree falls asleep, I whisper softly, just you and me. This Christmas belongs to us.